up, viewers? It's your boy Twinkie. It's like 6:45 in the morning, and I'm going to an auction. So joining me on today's adventure is one of my coworkers, Mr. Dan, with his Chrysler 300 SRT8. Yep, it's pretty nice. I like it. We are going down to Plymouth Meeting to the JJ Kane Auction. We're going to try and bid on some things for the company. See if we can get a few more trucks. It's supposed to be a hot one today. It's supposed to be like 93. And of course it's a PA heat, so it's definitely humid. Not too bad right now, but it's going to be one hell of a day standing down there. So for those of you that are subscribed and those of you that are looking for each video each week, you do know that I didn't put up a video last week, and unfortunately things happened at work and I ended up working all weekend and I just didn't have time to get out on the bike. So like I said in the first one though, I said I would try to make one video a week. I didn't say I was guaranteeing it, but I am trying. So unfortunately, my clutch started to slip last time I did a video, and it's getting a little worse now. I got the new plates and I got the new clutch spring, but and I also got a slave rebuild kit, but I haven't had the time to do it just yet. I wanted to do it yesterday, but I had to be up early this morning, and I'm not really a morning person. And then I ended up having to go out and take a spare key to a sleeper truck driver who, let's just say somebody won't be road raging anymore. But I do have everything I need. Like I said, I just haven't had time to do it. Hopefully I can pull the bike in and get it done tomorrow morning. We'll see what really happens, because I'm definitely not setting any alarms for tomorrow morning, that's for sure. So I haven't had a pair of sunglasses for quite some time, since my last pair grew legs and walked away about 2 or 3 months ago. And there was a few rides where I wish I did have them, and I did, but not this past week, the previous week. But the previous week I just got a new set. They're safety sunglasses, and I gotta say I'm really glad I got them, because I need them. So anyway, like I said, yes, I am working right now, technically, even though I'm salary, so technically I'm always working. But I told the boss there was only one way I'd go to the auction for him, and that was if he didn't have a problem with me taking my bike. He said, I gotta get a video up for you guys. But I already missed out last week, so God knows who's gonna break down tonight. Here's Mr. Danny Boy. I gotta be careful because of my clutch slippage. Dan had that exhaust on at Santora's Auto Care and Performance in Birdsboro. Pretty nice shop. Pretty nice people. road. So I was down here at the auction block yesterday. I did the inspections of the vehicles that we were interested in looking at, so I could get a better idea of what they were worth, if they were even worth bidding on, and you know what the next bid should be for them. I would have liked to have been here a little earlier, but Mr. Danny Boy has a problem getting up on time in the morning. He's not a morning person either, but he works a morning person job. At work at 5 a.m. to go out and do hard labor, especially in the heat these past few days. Oh yeah, really glad I wore sunglasses today. Oh yeah. For some reason it feels really slippery. I don't know. Maybe it's because it's not warm enough. It ain't warm enough. That did not sound like a very nice sounding power stroke. That quite literally sounded like a fat man farting. Welcome to good old Pennsylvania, where you only drive straight when you're drunk. Right lane. Damn, I can't believe we're up here already. Where's the new parking?
What was that?
Where's the new parking?
I mean, there's parking in here. You can find a spot.
And for him? He's with me.
Yeah, we can get you some.
Okay.
One's coming in, one's coming out.
Thank you. I'm like, where did he go?
That's where he told me to park.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this is where I parked yesterday. And yeah, I didn't realize we were up here already.
Oh, yeah.
That's why I was still in the left lane. I was like, oh, I was like, that's my turn. Huh? I know. Well, it is hot, and we are getting the heck out of here. Well, it was a kind of successful day today at the auction. Please excuse the excessive amount of wind as I am leaving my visor open because it is freaking hot. Us bigger guys do not appreciate the heat. But yeah, we We ended up winning a 2008 International 4400 bucket truck with a 60-foot boom. Pretty nice truck. Ended up winning that for $8,500. Pretty good deal. Can't complain. So now we're heading back because the F-250s that we wanted to look at were selling way too high. I'm talking, they were selling for average of 15 grand. And some of these trucks had 100 or over 1,000 miles. Definitely not worth it. Anybody want some gyros? And other stuff? Make sure Danny Boy's still behind me. He needs me to get back to 422, but once we get to 422, he's going to take over because he knows some back roads between here and where we're going. So unfortunately, I made the mistake of not bringing a hat, and as you can tell, it's really sunny, and it's been like that since, well, since about 8:30 this morning. And the heat's been 80 plus since like 8:30. My head is not feeling so hot right now. The boss is still texting me, asking me if there's anything good yet. I left, man. It's freaking hot. Ooh, that's hot. The fan just kicked on. Oh, man. Oh. Stretch it. Stretch it. Oh man, rock on, motherfucker. Oh my god, who left the freaking straw on the road? And the grass clumps. Bridge ices before road. I better be careful. Well, now it's time for me to head home because I am hot. I'm hot. I'm fat. I don't like hot. I like cold and I like warm. I don't like hot. I hate it. And my head hurts. And not from the heat, from the sunburn. I used to make weekly trips up here to Diane's Discount Pet Supplies Plus. I used to make those trips for mice to feed my snakes. Cheech and Chong, my two ball pythons. Yeah. Ay, ay, ay. It's hot, man. I'm getting a nice arm tan. Whew. Oh, hey, nice. Oh. Go figure. As soon as I put it in neutral, their lights turn red. You're not worthy. Oh, that breeze is so nice. Now I'm in the shade. Well, even though today's video was a bit of a shorter one, it's pretty hot out, and I've been out in the sun all day and running on about 4 hours of sleep from last night, so I'm ready to park it for today and wrap up and start editing video in the cool AC. Hopefully I don't fall asleep in front of the computer. So anyway, if you liked today's video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, comment if you like. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification icon, so this way you're notified when the next video comes out. Peace.